Good morning, viewers. Allow me to briefly introduce myself. I am Professor Rajesh Khambayat, currently working as a faculty consultant with Colombo Plan Staff College for Technician Education in Manila, Philippines. I take this opportunity to extend my profound appreciation to HRD Services of Korea for collaborating and inviting us to conduct a 2-week regional program on reorienting Tibet system for global economy. I do hope we would be able to share something that could inspire the deliberations in the coming days. As we know, today we are all at the crossroad of addressing 3 major concerns. First is the rising unemployment of our graduates. Second is how to build our global competitiveness. And lastly, how to stimulate our sustainable development and growth. In this regard, we highly appreciate and acknowledge the concern of all the participating member countries for developing the new generation of Tibet students, which is linked to the growing significance of technical and vocational education and training system for the new global economy in relation to the profound transformations we are currently living through. We also share this conviction. There is a fresh awareness among the policymakers in many countries in our region and also among the international donor community of the critical role that Tibet can play in realizing sustainable economic development. The increasing importance is now attached to Tibet is reflected in various policies and initiatives. There is an increasingly concern also for exploring various alternative strategies for Tibet because of its orientation towards the world of work. In order to address the growing expectations of the industry, continuous enrichment of the quality of Tibet for building global competitiveness is a key priority in the region. Reorienting and enrichment through world of work are the main drivers of Tibet system for succeeding in the new global competitiveness. Other key objectives includes increasing the attractiveness of education, training and promoting linkages with industry, entrepreneurship education among Tibet graduates. With the increasing mobility of the workforce in the region, demands for generic skills, mutual recognition of qualification through a sound accreditation framework is also expected to rise. To achieve this, it is very necessary to ensure a strong foundation by reorienting Tibet for global economy in the changing landscape of Asia Pacific region. In this program, we wish to explore some of the ways in which the Tibet system of this region is able to address these expectations. The institutions under Tibet needs to be reoriented to respond to these transformations in the context of global economy. The theme Regional Program on Reorienting Tibet System for Global Economy is very timely because it will help us to see new insights and development in the today's education landscape in view of the global economy, prerequisite for quality and competent Tibet workforce that just cannot be ignored. We need to augment Tibet administrators, educators' ability for reorienting Tibet system for the new global economy. As regard to this program is concerned, it is a 2-week program and it consists of 3 modules. The first module is on the challenges of reorienting Tibet system. In this module, we will discuss emergent challenges of reorienting Tibet system for the global economy. At the same time, we will identify some of the key challenges and intervention areas for reorienting Tibet system. The second module is on innovative approaches for reorienting Tibet system. In this module, we will discuss and deliberate on the regional quality assurance mechanism in Tibet system, and at the same time we will discuss on bridging academic and industry pathways, a gateway to Tibet global competitiveness. The last module is on integrating entrepreneurship and generic skills in Tibet system. In this module, we will discuss how we can stimulate entrepreneurship education in the Tibet system and how to build generic skills among Tibet graduates for global economy. In addition, friends, we will undertake a project work and also prepare an action plan with a special focus on reorienting Tibet system for the quest to global economy. We are bringing all the stakeholders of Tibet, such as policymakers, international organizations, institutions, administrators, educators, working professionals, industry and Tibet experts on a common platform to discuss and chart out our own roadmap for addressing workforce development, the emerging needs, challenges and opportunities in reference to the new global economy for the Tibet system. The major focus of this program is primarily towards development of capacity building and evolving specific approach which is needed to deal with the emerging challenges of reorienting Tibet system in relation to the new global economy and also meeting the regional needs of today and even the future. We do hope that through this program we can gain more grounds in understanding the concept of reorienting Tibet system for the global economy and develop our own creative ways of applying and utilizing it in our own Tibet system. Thank you for your kind attention. Kamsahamnida.